Navigate trails and spot wildlife like never before with Seizmik's Pursuit Night Vision Series Mirror Kit. This kit features our top-selling cast aluminum side mirrors, now upgraded with built-in dual-color LEDs to completely transform your UTV's peripheral vision. Strategically placed, these LEDs illuminate the mid-forward and side-ground areas, critical zones that standard headlights and light bars often miss. You have total control. Choose the crisp white light for working around your vehicle, or switch to the green light for visual comfort and stealth. The green mode enhances high-contrast visibility in low light and preserves night vision without disturbing wildlife. Best of all, there is no need for extra clamps or mounting solutions. The lighting is seamlessly integrated into the mirrors. Engineered with IP68 waterproof housings and premium Cree LED chips, these mirrors are built to survive the elements and are backed by Seizmik's unlimited lifetime warranty. The Seizmik Pursuit Night Vision Series Mirror Kit, designed to take you anywhere, day or night. Demand more. Demand Seizmik.